What equipment brand to invest in for longevity and use? Steve here with the Janitorial Store, the channel where we help cleaning business owners scale their businesses with systems, tools, and resources. Well, that's a great question because, I often read on Facebook where people have bought a vacuum cleaner, at a big box store, and before you know it, 30 days later the thing's not working, it's broken down or whatever, and then they're out buying another vacuum cleaner. So, it's really a good idea to invest in good equipment for your cleaning business. You have to always think that the equipment that you purchase is going to produce and generate money for you. That's exactly what it does. So when you purchase a good piece of equipment, that can make you a lot of money. For example, I've had floor care equipment like a slow speed, high speed, auto scrubbers. Those things made me a lot of money. We did a lot of floor care, and those things made me a lot of money. We took care of them, we maintained them, and those things just ran and ran and ran and ran and made me a lot of money. No doubt about it, a lot of money. So that's how you got to think about this when you're investing in equipment. Stop buying that cheap, inexpensive crap that just doesn't hold up. That makes no sense. Invest in good quality equipment that's made for what you're supposed to be doing. If you're doing commercial cleaning, residential cleaning, commercial cleaning, buy a good vacuum. Protein makes a good line. You got Minuteman. There's a lot of good vacuums out there. But stop going to the big box stores and buying these disposable vacuums because they only cost $100. Manufacturers know that. That's why they make a line of disposable vacuums. They know they're not going to last. So, just stop doing that. Well, I can tell you this, that I've used a lot of the equipment that I'm going to name here. And again, if you take care of the equipment, it'll take care of you. The first one I have on my list is Tennant. Tennant makes a lot of good floor care equipment, such as auto scrubbers, burnishers, and slow speeds and things like that. You pay a little bit more for that name, but the quality's there. They make some good equipment. And again, like I say, if you take care of it, it's going to make you a lot of money for many years. Another one is Minuteman. Minuteman makes another full line of equipment that, from vacuums to scrubbers and things like that too. That's a great line. Very durable piece of equipment. So check those out. Now, Hydroforce makes some great equipment for carpet care. You have your you've got your 𝗙𝗡𝗄 system that's just phenomenal. They've got pump-up sprayers. They've got SX7s and 15s. I mean, just fantastic equipment. Very well made. So check those out. And you can also check into 𝗦𝗡𝗙𝗢. Now, the reason why I listed this one here is it's more of a restoration tools that they make. But those tools can be used for carpet cleaning and carpet spotting. Many years ago, before anybody even thought of it, I was using a 𝗦𝗡𝗙𝗢 for doing my carpet spotting. It just made sense because if I have a spot on the carpet and here I'm going in there with a little hand tool, it was a lot of work. And in some cases I wasn't cleaning well enough to remove the entire spot. Well, what I did one day is I decided to just go use a flip-top bottle and saturate the spot with my chemical, agitate it a little bit, and then I used a 𝗦𝗡𝗙𝗢 and I actually put it on the carpet and started up my 3-gallon extractor, and that thing just pulled everything out of the carpet. It was just phenomenal. And ever since then, that's what we've been using to do our carpet spotting. But anyway, that's why I listed the 𝗦𝗡𝗙𝗢. Now, Pullman Holt is another line of equipment. They make a lot of good floor equipment there too, vacuums and a lot of different things, so check them out. And you got 𝗙𝗛𝗔𝗓. 𝗙𝗛𝗔𝗓, they make some great fans. And there's some others too that do that too, carpet fans and things. But 𝗙𝗛𝗔𝗓, has a good selection of various types of dryers. And of course, Protein vacuums. Protein has their full line of vacuums, backpacks, uprights, fanny packs, quarter packs, and so on and so forth. So that's a good line. And you have Sanitaire. Sanitaire's been around for a long time. Great equipment, very durable. You know, we used Janitor for a long time for a lot of the uprights that we used. Just a good line of product. Then you also have HydroMaster. Now HydroMaster is another good line of products where they have the RX-20. They got truck mounts. So check those out. You know, when you're looking on the you know, hard floor surfaces and carpets. For any other carpet products and things too, you can check out US Products. US Products has a great line of extractors, portable extractors. We had one of their extractors. It was a fantastic piece of equipment. You also have PowerFlight. PowerFlight creates another great line of equipment that will last you forever when you take care of it. Now, when you're thinking about window washing, you know, the first one that comes to mind is 𝗙𝗛𝗓. 𝗙𝗛𝗓 has a full line of window washing equipment. You know, from the squeegees, applicators, poles, water feed systems. You know, just the whole gamut. So check those out. You know, and yeah, there's many more that I didn't list, but you know, today there's a lot of good equipment manufacturers out there, and you know, the key is that you take care of your equipment. You know, you don't leave water in it. You don't leave the recovery tank full of water, or the solution tank full of water. You know, when you're done with your high speeds and low speeds, wipe them down, clean the brushes. You know, and wipe down the hoses and the cords. Check your cords for the ground plugs. Take care of your equipment, and like I say, the thing will make you a lot of money. One thing I want to say though is, now if you're just getting started in the cleaning business and you're thinking, well, which piece of equipment should I buy first? Well, the one piece of equipment that really can generate you know, a lot of money for you is a portable extractor and or slow speed floor machine, such as a 175 RPM floor machine. That 175 RPM floor machine, a rotary machine, you're able to go ahead and strip floors, scrub floors. You can bonnet carpets. So you know, you can do multiple tasks with it. So, and that's what I always like to do, is whenever I buy a piece of equipment, I always try to think of, well, what can I do with this piece of equipment to generate more of a revenue stream? So keep that in mind, you know. So you just don't want to buy an extractor, so, well, like a 3-gallon extractor, and think all you're going to do is spot carpet with it. Well, no, you can do much more than just spot carpet with that little 3-gallon extractor. You can do upholstery, you can do wallpaper. You know, there's a lot of things you can do with it. So keep that in mind whenever you decide to buy your first piece of equipment. Now, you know, if you'd like to, you can go ahead and you can go to the Janitorial Store, My House Cleaning Biz, and go to the Learning Library. And when you click on the Learning Library, it will take you over to where you'll see all these different buttons. Look for the button that says Equipment and Products and click on that. And you can find a lot more information on equipment and products there. And you don't need to be a member to get access to that. So, you know, check that out. So hopefully you found some value in this video. And if you did, go ahead and feel free to make a comment or share or ask a question, and I may do a show on that topic. And you know, as always make sure that you subscribe, and remember to turn on that bell notification to get notifications for the latest updates of videos that we've done to help you grow your successful cleaning business. Thanks for checking in, and let's keep it clean out there.